Hello everyone! Are you ready for another asynchronous activity in our math subject? Remember, mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus hate, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. So our note to self, let's always smile. So for today, our learning goals are divide numbers by multiples of 10, and let's follow steps in dividing numbers. Let's answer this problem. The city government launched a tree planting program during the Environmental Month celebration. 25,000 seedlings were distributed to 10 schools in Zamboanga City. How many seedlings did each school receive? So let's try to analyze how are we going to answer this kind of problem. The problem is asking us to solve the number of seedlings did each school receive. Given the number or the given facts, which is 25,000 seedlings to be distributed to 10 schools, what do you think is the process that we can use here? Yes, you are correct. We will be using the process of division. So we have 25,000 divided by 10 will be equal to n. Now looking at the equation, 25,000 divided by 10, these numbers are multiples of 10. Is there an easier way to find the quotient when we are dividing multiples of 10? Yes, we have. We will be calling it as the special quotient. So how are we going to apply the special quotient? In the special quotient, these numbers that we are going to divide, you have to identify the dividend, which is 25,000, and our divisor, the digit 10. The first step to find the quotient for this equation is to cancel the zeros in the divisor. And since there's only one zero in the divisor, we will only cancel one zero from the divisor, and we will also do the same thing in the dividend. We will also cancel one zero from the dividend. After that, we will now proceed with the division of the non-zero digit, which are the numbers 25 and 1. So let's divide. 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. Next thing to do is just to count the number of zeros left in our dividend. How many zeros are there in the dividend? Yes, there were still 2 zeros left in the dividend. That's why we will be writing these 2 zeros in our quotient. And the final answer is equal to 2,500. So the answer to our problem is equal to 2,500 seedlings will each of the school receive in Zamboanga City. Let's try these other examples. Okay, I want you to try this with me. Let's have the first one. What is 4,000 divided by 100? Can you try to solve it mentally, or you can use your whiteboard? The first step is to cancel all zeros in the divisor. We have 1 and another 1 in the divisor. So there are 2 zeros that has been cancelled in the divisor. Therefore, we will also cancel 2 zeros in the dividend. After that, you can now divide the non-zero digits, which are 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. And there's 1 0 left in the dividend. Then we will just affix it in our quotient. So we now have 40 as the answer. How do you find it? Is that easy or you find it difficult? Let's try another example. 30,000 divided by 10. What will you do first? Yes, you will cancel 1 0 only from the divisor as well as in the dividend. After that, we are now going to divide 3 by the digit 1. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. And then count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So we will just affix 3 zeros in our quotient. So our special quotient is equal to 3,000. And last, I hope you can do it correctly. 80,000 divided by 1,000 will be equal to what number? Let's cancel 1, 2, 3 zeros in the divisor as well as 3 zeros in the dividend. And then, we will now divide 8 by 1. The answer is 8. It's already there. Then, we'll just put 0 in the quotient. The final answer is equal to 80. I hope you learned from our lesson today. It's about special quotient. Remember to divide a number by a multiple of 10 or 100 or even 1,000. Cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor. Then divide. But remember also that zeros between non-zero digit must not be cancelled. Okay? I want you to continue answering our exercises in the Google form. Then that's all for today. Good luck and have a nice day, everyone. Continue working on our asynchronous activity. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for listening.